Hadoop, SAS, Python, Spark, and Advanced Excel, which we all using for the analytic the data. The data science is like we have to inspect the historical data and we finding out the future forecastings, what we're doing in the futures. So that is very important in right now in sessions. Hello, hello. Right now, that is very important in today's scenario. The data analysis and data science in every company they require the people who are very expertise on data analytics. So first of all, we see the first tool as a basic tools, the advanced Excel. First of all, when you go into any kind of the interview, like I'm the SAS profile as well as, so they're asking the Excel because in an Excel they have the limitations. So right now the SAS and right now then Python, even though they're open source as a R language and Hadoop is also useful in the market. So in Excel, what the tools we are using, first of all, the collaboration and verification of business data, administrative for and managerial duties, accounting for budgeting, data analysis, reporting, visualizing the data and forecasting. We are using many formula for analyzing the data. We also give you the raw data where we have to do the practice for this. So let's we start with the our technical session. Of you, hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So our first task is, please close the door. Our first task is right now I have one of the data right now that is a different company that is ABC Limited and XYZ Limited, and they have the different departments, department 1 and department 2, and with the different kind of the designations and their different kind of the salaries. So my first task is to find out the particular designation people's salaries, that sum of the salaries. Then after, if I'm going to the particular department, the particular department persons and particular department designation people salaries, and even then particular company related department designation salaries. Okay, so first of all, I write down an accountant. You have to see that I have lots of data right now over here with the different data. This like raw data I have approximately 180 data I have into the different salaries, there's company names, their departments, and their designations. My task is to find out all the accountant salary. Yes, we know that, and basically we are using the Control Shift Tab buttons for the filtering purpose, like Control Shift Tab, and we getting the filter over here, and then after we just finding out all the accountant salaries. But there is a very small data. If we're talking about the large scale of the data, so that should be not be possible for me to every time to do the Control Shift L. So right now in this accountant, if we want to find out their particular designation people's salaries, so over here we are using is equal to sum if functions. So in the sum if functions, they asking the three criteria. First of all, the range, then criteria, and the sum range. So first of all, we are putting the range. So we go to in the designation section. And we take all the designations over here, comma. In this designation, we find the criteria. Our criteria is an accountant, comma. Just for a minute. Samif.
हेलो हाँ बोलो बोलो हाँ बोलो हाँ बोल
बाहर ले गया. Then we selecting the criteria. Then sum range. So over here we getting the all the account designation people salaries. If we change over here just like a cell, So that is all the sales executive salaries. If I want manager, we got all the manager salaries in ABC Limited and XYZ Limited. Even in officers, we're getting all officers level salaries. So that is a basic fundamental, okay, how we finding out particular designation people salaries. Right now we're going to do too much depth. Right now I have the department one, and this department one have the accountant, and I want to be find out their salary. So on that time we are using is equal to SUMIF S. SUMIF and SUMIF S is both are the different. SUMIF only for searching for the particular one range, and SUMIF S we use for the multiple range. So first of all, we take the sum range, we take all the salaries, comma. Then after we take the criteria range. So my first criteria range is department one. So I'm taking the department one section. In this criteria range, we take the criteria as a department one. Designation range, we take that designation as an accountant. So they're checking in the department one, either for the ABC Limited or XYZ. They check all the department one who have the accountant and their designation salaries. So this is total salary from the department one. But right now, this is not the enough, because the department one, either if you are ABC Limited or XYZ, I need a particular company's department one. So I take the ABC Limited company. Then department and designation and their designation. So first of all, sum range, comma, criteria range one. My criteria is first of all selecting the company. In this company, we find the ABC Limited. In this ABC Limited, we required only department one. We take the department one, then the designations. So we have to see these things. I just drop it over right now. In ABC Limited, if the department one, that total accountant salary is 61,000. So they find out the ABC Limited, then after department one, then designation, how much accountant they have, and then whole the salaries they have to find it out. And the total salary is 61,000. Even though I change XYZ Limited, so in XYZ Limited, there is no any accountant right now over here. So I just changing some of the, make the accountant over here. This is XYZ accountant. Okay, there is no any accountant. So just we put the accountant over here. We take accountant over here. So you have to see this. There is a two accountant over here. Hello. So in XYZ Limited, department one, their accountant is 51,000, and if taking the ABC Limited, their accountant is 76,000. So this is a sum if and sum if as functions, as well as we checking all accountants designation total ABC and XYZ Limited's accountant salaries over here.
Vishal
Right?
bhai, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, please reshare your screen. I think it is freeze.
Sure, ma'am. Right now, अभी आप दिख रहा है ये मैम? हेलो मैम, अभी दिख रहा है ये?
एक मिनट मैं अभी ब्लैंक स्क्रीन ही आ रहा है, 1 मिनट।
HTML पेज चेंज करेंगे अभी तक आउट बनाए तो अलग अलग राउट बनाइस तो कसम एक ही ना बनाना अरे
नहीं होते ही बेहतर नहीं है। मैम दिखाई दे रही है स्क्रीन?
नहीं,
राइट नाउ स्क्रीन दिख रही है मैम?
आप स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले क्या कर रहे हो? अभी तो सिर्फ हमें अपना
Excel.
MS टीम का, हाँ, एक्सेल नहीं दिखा रहा है अभी, हमारा अपना खुद का ही स्क्रीन दिख रहा है।
चलिए,
आप वो MS टीम में जाके स्क्रीन शेयर कर दीजिए, फिर आप जो भी करेंगे सारी स्क्रीन हमें दिखाई देगी।
मैम वही स्क्रीन में स्क्रीन ही शेयर कर रहा हूँ, पूरी स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ। अभी दिख रही है मैम आपको?
नहीं, हाँ, अभी नाउ इट्स विजिबल।
ओके, सो लेट्स आई रिपीट इट। I have the
आप
two
अपना
companies.
वीडियो, हाँ विशाल भाई, सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू, आप यू जस्ट कीप योर वीडियो ऑफ, सो अगर देयर इज सम इश्यू ऑफ बैंडविड्थ इट विल वर्क, डोंट वरी।
Okay, I off my video, ma'am.
हाँ, yes, you just keep your video off and just share your screen, so maybe if there is any issue of bandwidth it will be minimized.
Sure. मतलब मेरा वीडियो मैं ऑन रखूँ, am I right?
ऑफ रखिए तो अच्छा है।
वो ऑफ ही है मैम ये?
नहीं, ऑन है आपका वीडियो अभी।
ठहरिए, मैं ऑफ कर देता हूँ इसको।
हाँ, now it's off. Now you can share your screen.
Okay, so
Okay.
let's have, मैं फिर से इसको स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। Right now we have the two companies, ABC Limited and in ABC and XYZ Limited they have the two departments. In both companies they have the two departments, and in their department there are the multiple designation people they have. Right now I show on the sheet number 2, like the ABC Limiteds in department 1 managers, and they have the sales, then after department 2 managers, and XYZ Limited has a managers, also an accountant. So I have the multiple designation people with the different salaries. So my first role is to find out all particular designation people's salary who are either in ABC Limited or XYZ Limited. So I just taking the accountant over here.
વિશાલભાઈ તમે લોગ આઉટ થઈ ગયા? અને તમે કોઈ સાયલેન્ટ રૂમમાં બેસો, તમે સાયલેન્ટ રૂમમાં બેસો, તમારી આજુબાજુ જે બોલાય છે બધું જ સંભળાય છે. હા હા વાંધો નહીં. હા રીજોઈન તો તમે હમણાં દેખાતા જ નથી.
Yes, ma'am. Right now, ma'am, audible for you. Okay. Right now, ma'am, screen दिखाई जाए ना?
Screen is not visible. We shall wait.
हाँ, ma'am.
No, it's visible due to slow connectivity. It may happen. Screen is visible to me.
Okay, is visible right now?
Yes, screen is visible.
Okay. So, तो एबीसी लिमिटेड जो कंपनी है उसके डिपार्टमेंट 1 में मुझे उनके ही एक डेजिग्नेशन जैसे अकाउंटेंट है मुझे